I work for Portland Tugboat, McAllister Towing as an AB and some days as mate. I chose Maine Maritime because I love Maine, but also because of all of the hands-on opportunities at Maine Maritime. When I came to the school on a tour, even as a student touring, was given hands-on opportunities on the boats immediately, and I really liked that. I went into Maine Maritime thinking I would be on research vessels and kind of interested in the research, but throughout my time at school, I really enjoyed my time on the tug Pentagoet and ended up doing one of my co-ops here at Portland Tugboat and fell in love with it. This boat, the Nancy McAllister, is super similar to the Pentagoet. It's twin screw vessel. So I originally was just marine science, but I added SVO shortly before starting school because I heard it would open up a lot more opportunities. Once I started doing the classes, I realized I really loved it, and a lot of the marine science classes applied to SVO. I think small vessel operations is a good start if you're thinking about a maritime career or working on boats, because it's a solid license to start with. You can work as an AB on almost any type of boat. You can figure out what you want to do, work on different types of boats, and then it's pretty easy to upgrade from there by getting sea time and experience working. Hands-on education at Maine Maritime really means you are running the boats, you are doing engine room checks, you're backing into slips, making tow, breaking tow. You're working on deck, handling lines, but also driving the boat, helping plan routes and navigation. You get a glimpse of everything. One skill for Maine Maritime that I use every day is situational awareness. You have to be listening to everything, looking at everything, even smelling things. You have to be aware of everything all the time. My advice to someone considering MMA would be go for it. If you want hands-on experience and real-world opportunities while you're in school and after school, it's a great place.